Hi again, Doc Harmon here. Boy, is it hot today. I don't know about you, but I look at those meteorologists on TV. They're forecasting what the temperature is going to be, highs and lows next week, so I know what to expect. My own thermometer tells me they're usually pretty accurate, and today it is hot. Now, those meteorologists have all different kinds of instruments and satellite pictures and computer models that help them make their predictions pretty accurate. But usually, the most important thing I want to know is how hot's it going to be? Is it going to cool off tonight? What kind of clothes should I wear? If it's winter, is it going to freeze tonight? All of that involves measuring temperature, and that, of course, means thermometer. Now, you almost certainly already have at least one thermometer in your house, maybe even one outside. But I thought it would be fun for you to make a thermometer of your own to experiment with. So that's what we're going to do today. Now, first, let me show you what your homemade thermometer is going to look like. This is it. Okay, let's make a thermometer. This is a clear plastic bottle. You can use a glass one or a plastic one. I've left a little room in the top. A clear plastic straw, a little bit of extra water, some modeling clay, and a little bit of red food coloring so that we'll be able to see what's like when it moves. Now I'm going to swirl it around a little bit, get it kind of mixed up. That's good. Now I'm going to fill the bottle with water all the way to the top, all the way to the tippy top. A little bit will spill over. A little bit of modeling clay, a straw going down about this far, and I'm going to wrap the modeling clay around the straw and push it down into the bottle. And here comes the red fluid up through the straw. We have to make it tight so no air can get in. And there we go. That's exactly what we want. Now what we'll do is we'll put it in different places and measure the different temperatures. But this is how you make it, okay? How does the thermometer work? Why does warmer temperature make the liquid go up in the straw? It all has to do with energy, specifically thermal energy. Heat, that's what heat is. In almost any material, solid, liquid, gas, supplying thermal energy, heat, causes the molecules in the material, in our case water, to become more energetic. They bounce into each other. They move under greater speed, and that takes up more and more space. So the liquid has to go somewhere, and the bottle's not going anywhere. So the straw is the only place it can expand into. Similarly, when the temperature drops and the heat is being removed, the molecules become calmer, closer together. They take up less space, a smaller volume. And that, of course, causes the liquid in the straw to drop. So to be scientifically accurate, we don't really cool anything. We simply remove heat by exposure to something that has less thermal energy, something that's cooler. Okay, so now what do we do with this? I've got a final challenge for you right here. You saw that on the commercial store-bought thermometer, the actual distance between 74 and 90 is really not that great and even a little bit hard to read. Yet on our thermometer, the straw moved, I measured, 4 inches. That would be a lot easier to read if I could actually put some markings on it. So we should be able to then read any temperature between 72 and 90 more easily and more precisely than on the store-bought one. So I marked the 70 and 90 degree places on the thermometer when we measured them. And as I said, it's almost exactly 4 inches. So now, simple arithmetic tells us that for 16 degree difference in 4 inches, every degree is 1/4 of an inch. So I cut out a piece of white paper, marked every 1/4 of an inch, put some degree numbers on there, and then lined it up with the straw like this. And now we have a real measuring thermometer. A day later, I went outside again and the temperature is 79.5 degrees. Try reading that on your store-bought thermometer. Big success. I hope yours work too if you make one. Have a lot of fun. Doc Harmon here saying, so long till next time. Bye-bye.